Hello, viewers. My name is Alina Petrova. I'm a Russian gray hat hacker. This is my email address. In my channel, I will be adding how can I income step-by-step video tutorial from dark web. So today's video tutorial is how do I check the high balance Visa card statement. That's what we will talk about today. Okay, this is my email address. You can contact me at this email address. If you want to know anything related to hacking or carding, you can contact me via email address. Stay with my channel. You guys already know about how to confirmation your device. For connected and browsing dark web, if you don't know, then watch my previous video. So let's dig in today's topic. Here I open a trusted dark web financial vendor, DarkCC. I will give you the link in my video's description. When open the DarkCC website, you can see their products and services. I take their service more than 4 years. If you want more about this vendor, feel free to contact with me via my email. DarkCC have lots of products like Visa, Master and Discover Card, Physical Carding Method, PayPal Money Transfer, Visa and MasterCards Fullz, DarkCC exclusive money transfer services, likes PayPal, Skrill Transfer, Western Union Money, Wire Transfer. If you want to learn more about their products and services, feel free to reach out to them by email. Today we are buying Visa Fullz credit card. Today I take stolen credit card information Fullz. These are digital cards. They will give you your card information digitally if you have knowledge of carding. You can earn money through that digital information. So, without further ado, I will just go buy the product. I am going to buy the Visa credit card Fullz today for $145. In that case, I will click on the Pay with Bitcoin button. After clicking on the Pay with Bitcoin button, a form like this will appear after the form comes. You will enter your email address here, the email address where you want to receive the card information. I am using a random mail address here except for this email. As you can see, their payment information is being generated here on the screen. The card comes with a guaranteed minimum balance of $3,000. To activate this balance, I need to pay $145 USD. This amount will be converted into Bitcoin, and I have to send the equivalent Bitcoin amount to their wallet address. Once the payment details are generated, there is a 30-minute time limit to complete the transaction. Right now, I have 29 minutes remaining. So, I'm going to scan this QR code from my phone and send the Bitcoin payment to complete the process. So, what's next? Stay with me until the process is complete. I'm making the payment directly from my phone right now. As you can see, this is happening live. I've just sent the required amount of Bitcoin from my phone to their wallet address. Now let's wait and see how long it takes for them to receive and confirm the payment. As you can see, the transaction is processing right now. Yeah, guys, you can see they're receiving the payment completion message. I've successfully made the payment, and right after that, they sent me a confirmation. Now, let's check our email to see if we've received the order confirmation message. Yes, we've received the email confirmation. The email includes the order confirmation number and confirms that the order has been placed successfully. It also states that the payment has been received and verified, and a confirmation has been sent to the registered email address. This is the payment gateway through which the transaction was made, the Bitcoin network. At this point, we have not yet received a confirmation message from the vendor with whom the order was placed. We will wait for an email update and will get back to you once it is received. Finally, we have received the order confirmation email from DarkCC. Now, I'm going to open the email and review the details they've provided. According to the message, the order has been successfully received, and they will send a follow-up email with the card information. This is the website where the order was placed. We received an initial statement from DarkCC confirming the order details. Earlier, we also received a confirmation from the payment processor used to complete the transaction. Now, we have received the official order confirmation email from DarkCC, the vendor with whom the order was placed. At this stage, we're waiting for a follow-up email from them, which is expected to include the card details. We'll wait and monitor for the next update. Once the email arrives, I'll resume the video and share the details with you. We've received another email notification confirming that it's from DarkCC and that the Visa card is ready. Let's open the email and take a look at how the information has been provided. The message includes the card details, such as card balance, the card number, and CVC, along with the associated customer information, exactly as outlined in the order. After reviewing the information provided, we can see that this is a high-balance card with an available amount of $3,000. The record also includes the country associated with the card. Upon closer inspection, the details indicate that the country is Chile, along with a corresponding city within Chile. Overall, the information is presented as a complete profile linked to the card. The dataset contains detailed customer information, including the cardholder's name, date of birth, and residential address, along with other associated personal records included in the order. If the card does not work, I will contact them again for further assistance. I'm now making a test purchase for a subscription to verify, in a controlled manner, whether the card has the indicated high balance. Fast of all, as this is a Chile Visa credit card Fullz, it is necessary to connect via a Chile IP address. Otherwise, the card details may not function as expected. For IP configuration purposes, a free VPN service, specifically Urban VPN, will be used. After connecting to a Chile IP address using Urban VPN, we will use Hoover.net to verify whether the network is correctly connected through a Chile IP address. Now you will see that it shows 70% of our accuracy, but we need to make this 100%. We have identified exactly where the problem is. Look here. According to my IP time, it should be Chile location. But the system I'm using shows the America time zone because I am physically in America. That's why I need to change my time zone to match my IP location. Then we will get 100% anonymity. When we achieve 100% anonymity, and when that 100% anonymity is in place, then in reality, any payment gateway, even the most secure ones, will be forced to accept it, even if it is stolen credit card information. Many times, it is seen that we don't understand IP configuration. We don't understand the terminal setup. The system is set up one way, the IP is different, and the browser configuration is different. This is why problems occur. We will now purchase a subscription to gaming website called GeForce Now in order to check whether the Visa credit card is high balance or not. This subscription allows access to features such as to play PC games via the cloud without needing a high-end gaming computer. The games run on NVIDIA's powerful servers, and the video stream is sent to your device over the internet. We will now create an account on the GeForce Now website using my email address. You can create the account by entering your email address, Chile random phone number. After creating the account, I will select the performance subscription. No matter what amount is shown, there's nothing to worry about, because we will be making the purchase using a stolen card. We will fill in the payment form using the Visa credit card details that we received from DarkCC. Make sure the card information provided, such as the card number, expiration month and year, CVC, cardholder name, cardholder ID and region, should be entered exactly as given DarkCC. No different or additional details should be used. Then click Pay Now button. Congratulations! Subscription successful. As you can see, we purchased Visa credit card details from DarkCC and checked whether the Visa credit card was high balance. See you next video. Till then, bye-bye.